A moxa cigar lasts approximately for 3 to 4 treatment sessions. Next, the point spleen 6 is marked, the width of the patient's hand above the inner tip of the ankle at the edge of the bone. 1 thumb below is the point kidney 7, an important tonifying point for the kidneys. 1 finger breadth behind this is kidney 8. At the end of the knee crease is liver 8, an important point for the activation of the liver. The treatment of these points strengthens the internal organs. The treatment of the points is done in the same way as the points on the arms are treated. These 3 points here are very sensitive. Therefore, great caution is necessary not to burn the skin. These points are also effective in cases of bladder problems. Moxibustion should not be practiced during fever or in the case of infections or during menstruation. Also, if the patient is nervous, anxious, or excited, the physician should be consulted before moxibustion. Liver 8 is an important point for the tonification of the liver energy. Approach and retreat when the heat becomes too intense. Each point is treated for 20 to 30 seconds. Two finger breaths below the umbilicus is an important tonifying point. In Chinese, it is called Sea of Energy. The navel itself is also an important activating point. But be very careful not to burn the sensitive skin in this area or the navel. These points should also be treated for 20 to 30 seconds, or until a slight redness has developed. Alternate from one point to the other. In the waist region, 2 finger breaths next to the midline, there are 2 important points for the activation of body energy. Urinary bladder 23. Great care is indicated here. These points have a strong activating effect on the kidneys. These points are very useful in case of poor tolerance of cold and should be treated intensively. Treatment of urinary bladder 23 on both sides. Against chronic backache and a cold feeling, an area above the sacrum, 2 finger breaths next to the spine and parallel to the midline, is heated. It is marked here. Move the moxa cigar slowly over the area, up and down, for 30 to 60 seconds on either side, until a slight redness will develop. Alternate from one side to the other, and take care not to burn the skin.